everyone, welcome to Maths IEC. We are doing another video today on the series of videos where we discuss about proof questions that you normally get in GCSE and IGCSE Maths. This question is to prove that the area of a trapezium is given by half A at B times perpendicular height h. Now, many students make the mistake of assuming that all trapeziums are symmetrical. Well, this one kind of looks symmetrical, but let me just draw a couple of trapeziums. So here is a normal, like a trapezium, which is sort of symmetrical here. But isn't this a trapezium? It is. And this one is not symmetrical. You can see they're different. So you need to account for this as well when you do this proof. So you need to get a trapezium that is not symmetrical, because the formula works for all trapeziums and not just for the symmetrical ones. So it's wrong to assume that it is symmetrical. And let's just do this question. Pause the video and see if you can figure out the answer. And when you are ready for the answer, press play. Now here, I have a trapezium, just like the one I mentioned. If this length here is A, this length here is B, and the perpendicular height, let's take that to be H. Now, I'm going to split this into three different parts. Like that. Now, I know this length here is A, that's obvious. Now this total length is B, but I need to find out, okay, what about the sum of this length and this length here? Now to make it clearer, I'm just going to rearrange this shape now. Like this. So the middle part is a rectangle. Length and width, I know. So the area is AH. So the area of this part is AH. What about this one now? The perpendicular height is H. So this length here is B minus A. How is it B minus A? Now imagine, just put some numbers. That will make more sense. Imagine this is 5 centimeters. Imagine the bottom is 15 centimeters. Now if I take this middle part off, if that is 5, obviously the remaining part, the sum of this and this should be 15 take away 5, 10. This one here is B minus A. So what's the area of this shape now? And I have an expression for the area of the rectangle. So the total area should be the sum. This is AH over 1. I'm going to multiply top and bottom by 2 so I can get the same denominator.